Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to adjust the water level on a Frigidaire ice maker. Ice size and float sensor fix. Step 1 is safety and access. Unplug the refrigerator or turn off its circuit breaker to avoid electrical shock. Then remove the ice bucket completely to give yourself clear room to work. Second step is remove the control cover. Locate the plastic cover on the front face of the ice maker assembly. Then grip the side of the cover and pull it straight off. For some model, gently pry the cover off using a flat head screwdriver. Third step is locate the adjustment screw. Locate the small screw on the exposed control module panel. Then identify the screw hole marked with a small plus sign. Look for a small minus sign printed next to the screw hole on the plastic casing. Fourth step is turn the screw. Use a small flattened or Phillips screwdriver for adjustment. Turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to increase water fill time to large cubes. Turn clockwise to decrease water fill time for smaller cubes. Limit adjustments for a minimum of 1/4 turn at a time. One full turn change the fill time by approximately 20 seconds, risking overflow. Fifth step is reassemble and test. Snap the plastic cover back onto the front of the ice maker, then slide the ice bucket back into place. Restore power at the refrigerator, then wait for 24 hours for the ice maker to cycle. Inspect the size of the new ice cube. Thanks for watching.